अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। मैं मोहम्मद जावेद, सच की आवाज़ NPS न्यूज़। देखिए आज की ताज़ा खबर।
Was inspired by seeing this gang movie in which the protagonist Surya will act as an ACB officer and would extort so many government officials. So this notorious criminal was inspired from that movie. So in 2019, he also met some associates in the jail, namely Salman Raju, Sai Kumar and Gangaya, who became his friends, and all of them were involved in extortion of government officials by posing themselves as anti-corruption. In the year 2020, he also called government officials, municipal officials of Pulivendala town, and he was caught and a case was registered against him under crime number 446 of 2020, and he was sent to jail. In 2021, he called municipal officials in Machilipatnam, he posing himself as an ACP officer, and a case was registered against him and he was sent to jail. A case was registered against him in Machilipatnam town in crime number 146 of 2021. In the year 2021 again, he posed himself as a ACP officer and called motor vehicle inspectors in Eluru town, and a case was registered against him in crime number 776 of 2021, where he was sent to jail. In 2022, he moved in Visakhapatnam, Vijayanagaram and Srikakulam districts, extorting money from several government officials, posing himself as an ACB officer. He was also, after 2022, in the last 1 year, he has been residing at Hongasandra of Bangalore, where he has shifted his family from Anantapur to Bangalore, and he has been staying there. And during that time, he came in contact with several people, and he has mobilized around 200 SIM cards from various people, and he has changed his MO of extorting money. He would sit in the some bus every day, in the public transport bus, from morning till evening.